So today I'm going to degrease these, clean them, degrease them. So I've actually got washing up liquid just to start, just to get the worst off. These aren't too bad anyway. Brushes, and I've got a bigger brush and a sponge to try and get these main cases cleaned. Most of it will just be degreasing, de-oiling. The barrels, they're pretty filthy. That side's not too bad, the other side's pretty filthy, so I'll be washing them, and then I'll move on to gunk for the barrels, because there's some crap in there that I want to try and get out that can soak, and get rid of that. And then Pt14 degreaser, and then I've got some metal prep which I might get done today but probably not. So yeah, wash them. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day, so wash them and then let them sit in the sun, dry and bake for a little while. Yeah, that's my plan for today, undercover. So I've not bothered to show you the cleaning process so far. It's just fairy liquid, hot fairy liquid, scrubbing them with brushes and sponge. All I've done is get the worst off. The main cases are basically fine. They need a little bit more, but basically they're fine. This, you won't see it in this light, I don't think. Down in there, still pretty gungy. That'll get some gunk on it, and see how that comes up after that. And then obviously using more professional stuff after that, once I've got the worst off. So there we go. So here we go. It's all cleaned, gleaming. Just a couple of little bits of paint still in amongst the fins, really deep down, that I can't get to, but the main cases are absolutely fine. So I've used Pt14 products before and they are absolutely brilliant. Honestly, I think if I was going to do anything, it'd always be with Pt14. I've got paints, VHT, anyway, whatever it is. I've got some paints from Pt14, but Pt14 are great for cleaning stuff. Absolutely brilliant. All the prep stuff, I've still got to prep these, but I shall get round to that probably tomorrow. I don't know, I might get it done. Well, I'll get it done this week anyway. So yeah, a bit of a positive note. I've got some clean stuff ready to paint. Not sure where I'm going to do that. I'm going to have to find somewhere dry and not too hot and not too dusty, but I'll then get those prepped, masked and painted. So that's probably the next job, because I'm still waiting for bearings and bits. So yeah, thank you very much. If you're enjoying what I'm doing, please like, subscribe and all the other stuff, share and stuff. Thank you very much. Bye. So this is what I shall use. I'm not going to do it today because of only just, well, it's so hot outside. Yeah, so metal prep, Pt14 metal prep, perfect. Yeah, you just spray it on, keep it wet for 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. These are drying out nicely. I've blown them basically dry, but all the little holes are drying out. They're roasting hot from sitting in the sun for a while. Yeah, I'll get these done maybe tomorrow. Get them prepped at least. If I don't start spraying them, then at least they'll be prepped and ready to go. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, only a short one this time, so yeah, lovely. See you next week.